The Pulque and Pulquerias Museum is a beautiful space where you can learn about the history of this ancient and exotic drink, which in pre-Hispanic times could only be drunk by Aztec emperors, warriors and priests. For this and other reasons, Pulque is known as the drink of the gods. In this space you will also be able to see the tools with which this mythical drink is extracted, while you will learn the history of Mexican pulquerias through a photographic exhibition. The Pulque Museum also has its own pulqueria where you can savor a delicious pineapple, oatmeal or walnut pulque, among other flavors, as well as pamper your palate with typical Mexican dishes such as tlayudas or quesadillas with nopal tortillas. The Pulque and Pulquerias Museum, also known as the MUPYP, opens its doors at the following times: Monday to Saturday from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. and Sundays from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. It is located at Hidalgo Avenue 109, next to the Church of San Hipólito, aka San Judas Tadeo, very close to the Hidalgo subway station, and the entrance has a cost of 30 pesos.